Hello and welcome to In Goa News. Members of the civil society and the opposition on Saturday slammed the BJP-led state government and Goa police officials for issuing an arrest warrant against 31-year-old Goa shipbuilding professional Devu Churankar for his anti-Modi and anti-Parrikar post on a social networking site 2 months ago. They have claimed that such heightened police interest on a Facebook post is draconian. A day after Goa police issued an arrest warrant against Devu Churankar for posting anti-Modi comments on Facebook, several members of the civil society, opposition Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party staged a protest demonstration in front of the Goa police headquarters in Panjim on Saturday, condemning the high-handedness of the police. In the run-up to the Lok Sabha 2014 poll campaign, Devu Churankar, a Goa-based in Mumbai, had in a post on Goa Plus, a popular Facebook group with nearly 500,000 members, claimed that if Modi is elected, the Holocaust will follow and that Christians in Goa will lose their identity. Expressing annoyance against the state's police's high-handedness, the protesters termed it as a murder of democracy in a bid to suppress voices of common men in India. The opposition also criticized complainant Atul Paikane, a prominent industrialist who incidentally chairs the task force committee of the industries department to frame policy to generate 50,000 jobs.
I'm also an entrepreneur and I was running a company that sold a product that uncensored the internet. So I'm particularly concerned about curbing of free speech. We know about section 66A, which is a draconian law. Any message that is deemed to be grossly offensive, the penalty is 5 years of jail. There are currently a number of challenges to this act which the Supreme Court is looking at, and hopefully this act will be considered anti-constitutional and will be thrown out. Dissent is the essence of democracy, and we are in a actually great world where anybody can express his views on the internet, and today's youth are totally internet savvy. And when a message which did not preach violence, did not ask a particular community to take up arms, all what it did was to express fears which are not unjustified, but maybe they were expressed in a very crude language, and that is because the person who posted, the level of his articulation probably was not very high.
But it was baseless, right? Baseless.
गोंयांत आज फेसबुकाचेर इतली एब्यूज जाल्ली पॉलिटिकल ओपोनंट तांचेर तुमी एक्शन कित्याक घेना बरोबर करया मरे एक कोर ऑन अगेन्स्ट द पर्सन हू इज क्रिटिसाइज मोदी वन हू इज क्रिटिसाइजिंग अस here the law seems to be only for Modi. This is not the correct step, and this is not good in Goa. It does not befit your uniform also, because it is all
under which section is the offence non-bailable?
It's given in the mention also.
What could you mention?
No, I am not.
You would come under your jurisdiction. Detail of the case.
Everything was.
See, we went to the say.
As far as we are concerned, everything is correct in the case. The say has been submitted in the court. The court has decided on the matter. So you
see, we went to the say. We had a copy of the say. Has it done some crime? Has it done some murder? So asking for a custodial interrogation.
For such a simple matter, why do you need custodial interrogation? Just call him and take his statement. For big murderers and rapists, we are letting them move around over here. We can see that.
criminal violence or anything that is taken place in Goa.
Personal opinion doesn't count in Goa.
If something happened, it is a different case. Nothing has happened. There are people who have said so many things in our neighboring states, and big problems have taken place. But nobody is arrested them.
आज पडे हा एक्शन पडे घेवपाक सोदतात ऑन देव इट इज रॉंग डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटी इट इज एट स्टेक आज डेमोक्रेसीचेर अटॅक जावपा आहा आनी अटॅक जावपा आहा म्हूण हे आमी प्रोटेस्ट केला नाव इश्यू इज फेसबुकार आमचेर जायत जाणांनी बरयला आमचे फोटो काढले पासून आणि जाय तशें केले हे BJP वाल्यांनी. हे पळय थोडी BJP सॅम्पल आहाय ती पळय फेसबुकाचेर ते आमचे फोटो काडून कितें केलो आहा तांचेर एक पासून केस ना आनी सिलेक्टिवली ही केस तेजेर घातल्या. बरें आतां आमी कंप्लेन करपा आहाय आतां चुया ते कितले एक्शन घेता ते ऑन द सेम फेलोज.
I caution Mr. Parrikar not to be over enthusiastic and try to please Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi has done a good beginning as a designate Prime Minister, and Mr. Parrikar should not be killjoy to be, a supporter of Mr. Modi. I think it is not a good step. It doesn't behave well, because I repeat that charge, what has been made on the Facebook, that Mr. Modi should not repeat 2002 Godhra in the country again. What is wrong in that? I am repeating it. It is a frank advice to him from any citizen and a voter, and more so a political party. Nothing wrong in that. A case has been filed during the election, and after election you are trying to prosecute them. That is not proper. That will not be taken lightly and sitting down.
अच्छे दिन आ गए अशें दिसता. आज फेसबुकार सुद्धा एक सामान्य मनशाक आपल्याक जे म्हणूंक जाय ते म्हणपाचो हक्क उरूंक ना. आज आमी मेळ्ळ्या ते देवू चोडणकर म्हणून एक फेसबुकार ताणें एक पोस्ट घाल्लो. ताणें तें कितें घाल्लें तें ताजे कडेन आमी एग्री करिना, पूण ताणें तें घालपाक आनी तें म्हणपाक ताजो हक्क आसा. ताज्या सपोर्टान आमी आज हांगा आयिल्ले आसा. ताणें तें कित्याक म्हळें आनी ताणें तें म्हळें तें सारकें आसा काय ना तें कोर्ट डिसायड करतली. पूण जें ताणें म्हळें ताजो कितें इफेक्ट जालो, कितें कम्युनल रायट्स जाले, कितें इन्सिडंट जाले, ताजो इफेक्ट कांय नाशिल्लो. तो कोण रिलिजियस लिडर न्ही, फॅनेटीक लिडर न्ही की ताणें आपल्या बाबा सपोर्टरांक कितें सांगलें हांचेर हल्लो कर नाल्यार हांकां नुकसान दी, अशें कांयच जावंक ना. सो अशा मनशाक जो सामान्य मनीस आसा तो सगळे ताका फेसबुकार वळखता, पर्सनली ना वळखत. फेसबुकार तो बरो पॉप्युलर आशिल्लो, बरें उलोवपी मनीस, लॉजिकल डिबेट्स करपी मनीस. एक दीस ताणें अशें कितें म्हळें तें कित्याक म्हळें तें ताकाच कळटलें. पूण हें जें ताणें केलें आनी म्हळें ताज्या खातीर तो जेलीन वचूंक जाय, ताजें फ्रिडम आमी जप्त करून घेवंक जाय. हो इशू सामको इम्पॉर्टंट आसा.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar washed his hands of the controversy, saying the state government has no role to play in it. He cited the Supreme Court directives making it mandatory for the police to book FIR once complaints are received, to explain why an FIR was registered related to the FP post. Parrikar also said that the concerned Churankar in the instant case was called to the police station to seek certain information, but the latter chose instead to approach courts for bail and failed. Parrikar, who holds the home portfolio, responded with a persistent "I don't know" when specifically asked whether Churankar will be arrested or not.
Controversy, I don't know.
With the Devu Churankar case,
no, I am not bothered about it.
Ministry.
There is no role of the government in that so-called controversy. Where is government coming into picture?
But police has police.
No, what is the Supreme Court decision?
Initiated.
What is the Supreme Court decision? Supreme Court has made it very clear: a cognizable offence registered or FIR filed by anyone has to be registered. So we are registered, we are investigating. He was called to ask about various detail. He went to the court and court refused his bail. So how does government come into picture?
So will he be arrested or something?
I don't know. I can't tell you that because it is IO who decides.
So is it the government feels it is a heinous crime to comment upon?
I don't know.
No, commenting
I don't know.
Against the Prime Minister.
I don't know.
In the state.
I don't know. That is because you are not aware of the law of this country. The law of this country says if any person, if he makes out an criminal case, content for criminal case, the FIR under section 154 has to be registered. But there are exceptions given by Supreme Court where within 7 days preliminary inquiry can be conducted and then registered or rejected. In this particular case the exception does not hold, so the case has to be registered. Accordingly, case has been registered. Once a case is registered, you have to investigate. Once the investigation is completed, you have to decide whether you charge sheet the person, whether you make A, B or C summary. whether there is evidence, there is no evidence, there is evidence, but the crime cannot be attributed to a person, or there is no truth in the case. Like that, you have to summarize and present it to the court. What has happened is the case has been registered by an individual, not by the state.
It was backed by the back.
Back, who told you? Back
He had an inclination towards the BJP itself.
So what?
So
54% people have voted for BJP. That means 54% people does not have a right to register a complaint. It is as per Supreme Court. Common लोक म्हाका सोडून दी. हांव कोर्टाचें डिसिजन कितें आहा तूं वचून पळय मरे. म्हाका कित्याक विचारता ते? You ask Supreme Court. Why they have issued this direction?
Laws are made for the governance of common people. Right?
So it is governance is being done.
When it comes to expression of.
No, I am not going into the merit of the matter. I am telling you, investigation has to be done. For investigation, a person has to be called to the police station. So he was called accordingly. He did not go. He went to the court for bail. Court refused the bail. So where the government comes into picture?
So he will be arrested right now?
I don't know.